Do you know someone incredibly smart, good grades, great job, reads all the right books, but still struggling with money? It's not bad luck. It's not the economy. It's something happening inside their brain that nobody ever talks about. Today, we're going to break down exactly why smart people stay broke, and more importantly, how to fix it. Welcome back to Mind and Money, where we break down the psychology behind wealth and success in slow, clear English so you can learn while you grow. Let's get into it. They overthink every decision. Smart people analyze everything, every investment, every opportunity, every risk. And while they're still thinking, someone less qualified already took action and won. This is called analysis paralysis, when your brain is so focused on finding the perfect answer that you never move at all. The truth is, a good decision made today beats a perfect decision made never. Action is the only cure. They believe money is beneath them. Many smart people secretly believe that wanting money is shallow, that real intelligence is about ideas, not income. This is called a money block, a deep belief that rich people are greedy, or that good people shouldn't care about wealth. But here's the truth. Money is just a tool, and refusing to use a tool doesn't make you smarter. It just makes you less effective. Smart people who stay broke often have a hidden belief that they're too good for money. Wealthy smart people know that money gives them the freedom to do more good. They trade time for money, forever. Smart people are excellent employees. They work hard, get promoted, earn more. But there's a ceiling. Because when you only trade your time for money, the moment you stop working, the money stops too. Wealthy people build assets, things that make money while they sleep. A business, investments, content, systems. The question isn't how much are you earning per hour. The question is, what are you building that works without you? They use intelligence to justify staying comfortable. This one is dangerous because it's invisible. Smart people are very good at explaining why now is not the right time, why the market is bad, why their idea needs more research, why they'll start next year. Their intelligence becomes a weapon against their own success. This is called motivated reasoning, using your brain not to find the truth, but to protect your comfort zone. The smartest move you can make is to notice when you're using logic to avoid risk, and do it anyway. They never learned financial literacy. School teaches you how to think. It does not teach you how money works. Most smart people know history, science, literature, but they don't know the difference between an asset and a liability. They don't understand compound interest. They've never heard of cash flow, and you cannot win a game you don't understand. The good news? Financial literacy takes weeks to learn, not years. One book, one course, one decision to finally understand money. That's all it takes to change the game. They compete instead of collaborate. Smart people are often taught to be the best, the top of the class, the smartest in the room. But wealth is rarely built alone. It's built through networks, partnerships, teams. While smart people are busy proving they're right, wealthy people are busy building relationships that open doors. Your network is your net worth, and collaboration will always beat competition. They wait for permission. Smart people are trained by the education system to wait. Wait for the teacher to approve. Wait for the grade. Wait for someone to tell them they're ready. But in the real world, nobody is coming to give you permission. No one will tell you now is the right time to start. You are ready. Go. You have to give yourself permission. That moment, when you stop waiting and start deciding, is the moment everything changes. Being smart is a gift, but intelligence without action, without financial knowledge, without the right beliefs about money, that gift stays locked in a box. Pause. Pick one of these 7 reasons that resonated with you, and ask yourself honestly, is this me? If this video gave you value, subscribe to Mind and Money. Every week we break down the psychology behind wealth and success in slow, clear English. And comment below, which one of these was hardest to hear? See you next week.